What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and we're in Walmart, so you guys already know what I'm doing. Out doing some retail arbitrage, but this video isn't going to be on retail arbitrage. It's actually going to be on CPA marketing. So I was in the car looking at some numbers in one of my CPA accounts, and this account I've been checked on for a while has been doing about $1,500 every single month, guys. Like forever, for like the last couple of months or whatnot. It's been like 4 or 5 months or whatever. So it's been running consistently, hitting around $1,500 a month from one domain, guys. All right. So if you're a level 2 member inside Team DeAngelo, go check out Universal Level 2. That word is domain, where I got it from, the whole 9 yards. It's all in there. But basically, guys, all you do is you find a domain that's already getting traffic. So let's say Walmart went down, right? Obviously, you're not going to get a domain like Walmart, but I'm saying, like, as an example, let's say Walmart, the domain went down, then you bought the domain, right? Then you're literally going to be getting millions of worth of traffic or whatever, and then you can forward that to any CPA offer, any store, any client, like anything you want. You can forward all that traffic there. So if you've been sleeping on domain traffic or you haven't heard about it, literally do a little bit of research on it. I have training videos on the channel. I just wanted to get this out to you guys. I'm not, obviously I would have showed you guys on the computer, but I'm out doing retail arbitrage right now. I'll probably put that video out tomorrow or something like that. But yeah, guys, it's very simple stuff. Literally all you do is you find a domain that's already getting traffic, and then you just take the domain and you forward that traffic to your CPA offer or to your store or wherever you want to get sales or conversions. It's just that simple. The only thing is actually finding the domains, and that's not hard either. They have software, and then you can also do manual research as well. So it's not hard at all, guys. Again, if you're a level 2 member, go check out the training, on that stuff. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you already currently buy domains, or flip them, or whatever the case may be, let me know in the comment section below.